Hello, everybody. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Back again with me for the second season of MotoGP Caramel Bendel here, and we are already in our new team, Pertamina Mandalika SAG team. And as you see, I already made my new helmet, my original design. I don't think like design. It's just like a little bit simple look helmet. Thunder, what is it? Graphic with red pink in a right side and blue in a left side. Sorry. And yeah, we are in our new team, and let's say, did we have an upgrade? I don't think so. Let's just move on to our. We got salary, and we arrived to our new season in the first race of Qatar in Losail. Let's go. We got some engineer, chief engineer. I don't think to get a better chief engineer still in a B class, so I'll reject some of them to manage our income because we need our income to upgrade. You know, when we have to make a junior team, so I'll save some money. I'll save some money. This one it's A class, Toru Ogawa. Let's just sign on one of them. Okay, and we got an engine upgrade. Let's upgrade our engine first, maybe. No, I think frame is more uh, better because when we develop a bike, the stability and also reactivity in our bike is more important than just pure power. So I'll just take the frame. Yeah, okay. And let's go straight to our race, our first race for this season. Let's go. And that's our first pole. Yeah, I don't know why this Moto 2 bike is really work well with our current skill, or maybe I need to step up a little bit about the difficulty because of course we're still in a 110 point. So yeah, if I feel like it's a bit too easy, I will crank up our difficulty a little bit, maybe 115. But yeah, for now, or it's because the track itself, like I really love Losail guitar because it's really easy and so flowy. So yeah, let's see for a couple of races if I need to crank up our what is it difficulties. I will take a little bit up like 115 or 118 or maybe 120. So let's go to the race straight away. And we ready to start our first race. We are in the pole and with Remy Gardner and also Sam Loas in a front grid. Let's hope we can make this first pole to become our first win in this season. Let's go, let's try through the race. And here we go, we already start our first race in Qatar. We are currently in third place. I thought we are really strong here, we can get a pole, but after first straight in not straight, in first corner we are being beat up by Sam Lois and also Remy Gardner. So apparently we are, oh, someone is just fall, I don't know who, maybe Di Gianantonio, Fabio Di Gianantonio. But yeah, we are not too strong here. um, we're strong enough for 60% developed bike, but yeah. Into the second lap, still making too many mistakes, still have to adapt to our new bike. Our braking point is sometimes messed up, like sometimes I brake too late and sometimes too early. But other than that, we are not too bad. Not too bad. Still running with Marco Beseggi here, the rider that in 2022 season will be riding in a MotoGP bike with VR46 Ducati team from our legendary Valentino Rossi. And we are currently not so weak, not so slow. Battle between us with Marco Bezzecchi trying to pass one another, and then someone is just fall, someone from Petronas bike, and Bobet Snyder take the fourth position. Both of the Pertamina Mandalika SAG team is in. Someone is fall in the background, I don't know who. But yeah, currently Bobet Snyder and me in third and fourth place. Not bad for Pertamina Mandalika SAG team. I don't know where is Thomas Luthi is. I think he is in the back of the group. He's very far away, I think. I didn't see him. Maybe he's fall off, maybe. No. He's there. He's in the DHL logo there. So yeah. Oh yeah, I'm so sorry if my audio is really not quite good. I'm really in middle of cold and flu, so I cannot talk too energetic, because apparently if I'm talking too loud, my throat is tickling, like it's like I want to throw up or something like earlier. So yeah, I will talk slowly, I will talk maybe. I'm so sorry if my audio is bad and you can hear anything, but yeah, it is what it is, man. I'm so sorry. But we are being passed, but we take it back from Bob Snyder, and Bob Snyder is trying to get back from the inside. Someone is fall over there. I think it's Celestino Vieri from the Sky VR46 Racing team. and we are ready to our fourth lap. Better braking into the first corner, not like from other laps we really overshoot the braking point, and apparently we are wide, really wide, and lose sometimes from our rival. We are still in a third place. Joe Robert is in fifth, yeah, no, in fourth, and also Ai Ogura in fifth, being overtaken by Marco Bezzecchi, Ai Ogura. We are again making mistake in a breaking point. Yeah, I still need sometimes to adapt to our new bike because apparently we made too much mistake here. We have a good pace around here with the qualifying, but in a race, I feel like I'll lose some confidence in my braking because I'm used to race in a Moto 3 last season, and the bike is really light. The power is not too big, so when in here when I lose speed while braking and also in the corner, I I cannot put down any speed in the acceleration. Like I lose too much grip. And here we are in the last lap, I think. Yeah, this last lap of Losail GP. We are still fighting with Marco Bezzecchi, Joe Roberts, and also I think it's Jorge Navarro. Not too bad. Braking a little bit. Yeah, we make mistake again in a braking point. I don't know. Maybe I need a couple of races to get used to our new braking point. And hell yeah, considering by our new career in MotoGP 21, a new class, of course, Moto 2. We got, I think, in the top 10 is really good already. So hopefully we are not crash because I'm really struggling here. I'm really struggle. I don't I don't want to lie about it, but yeah, I'm not confident in the first race of this circuit. In this race, a lot of a lot a lot of mistake, a lot of going into the curb too much and lose some time. And here we go. We are in the last corner, riding into the brake stride, trying to get a slipstream from Joe Roberts and trying to get a move before finish line. I don't think we get it. We get the fifth position or fourth, I think.
Stars of this thrilling race finishing their cool down laps, so let's take advantage
Yeah,
of
we
this
take
moment to
fourth
take a look
position.
at the
Not
Moto2
bad.
final results.
Even though, yeah, we are losing some position because we start from pole. But yeah, Bo Bensnader in the ninth place. Our teammate Sam Lowe's get a win. Remy Gardner in second. They are separated by 1.3 second gap. And Remy Gardner in Marco Bezzecchi also have big, really big gap, almost four, not four, almost 2 seconds behind Remy Gardner, and we are not so far from Marco Bezzecchi. So we can see the difference between Moto 3 with Moto 2. In Moto 3, we have barely any gap from first to like fifth, but in a Moto 2, we get a lot of gap from first, second, third, and also the sixth, Raul Fernandez. And yeah, not bad for the starting of the season. We are in the fourth place, of course, we are finished fourth. What I expect. And Red Bull KTM Ajo again. In a Moto 3, we fight with Red Bull KTM Ajo, and in a Moto 2, in a Moto 2, we also will fight against the Red Bull KTM Ajos. Yeah, that's interesting. Okay, and we back to our menus here. Still 2 weeks until our frame upgrade finish, and we got some candidate A class. I'll sign him on. Yes, let's go. And I think let's just go to the second race in Losail, Qatar. For the second round, let's redeem ourselves. Let's take another pole, and hopefully we got a podium this time. Let's go. This is the second round of the Qatar Losail Grand Prix. As always, we are from pole like before, but after the first corner, we get beat up by the Red Bull KTM Ajo. Not really a new thing. Like I always been beaten by the Red Bulls. But yeah, we are in a better position than last time. We in the second, and in the first place is Raul Fernandez. Remy Gardner trying to take the inside, and also we got Remy Gardner, Marco Bezzecchi, Ben Snyder, and Augusto Fernandez. Yeah, that's Augusto Fernandez. Mistake again in the first turn. Bad place to make a mistake. Everyone always pass a little bit contact and push Marco Bezzecchi a little bit wide there, but no worries. Race director, it's no exist. Ay. Oh, three-way battle between Ben Snyder, Bezzecchi, and Bendel. Triple B here. Oh, a little bit contact between both Ben Snyder and Bezzecchi, and also Bendel. The race leader, Raul Fernandez, already taking a little bit gap from the second position, Bo Ben Snyder. He's trying to run away as fast as possible, but considering we are fighting for second place here, I think Raul Fernandez can get away really easy. Of course, he has the clear vision in front of him, and we are still fighting a contact again to Marco Bezzecchi into the backstride in the second lap of Losail Grand Prix. A little bit late braking, but taking a good line. Marco Bezzecchi trying to block the line, but he cannot do it. Both of the SAG Pertamina Mandalika team is in second and third. To be honest, man, to be very honest, our helmet look really good. Let's see from another angle, I think, yeah. Let's see, we are riding with Bendel here from the reverse cockpit camera, looking into our new helmet, KYT helmet with a thunder graphic in either side of the helmet. Look at that. I'm so proud. Yeah. Still fighting with Marco Bezzecchi. Another angle. Pertamina Mandalika Racing Team SAG. And we are from the rear camera. We can see a lot of people, a lot of riders behind us trying to take advantage of the slipstream in a straight line, and also braking so late to overtake us. I mean, what are I talking about? Into the third lap, maybe fourth lap. Let's go from this angle, maybe. Oh, a little bit late braking. Can we get the job done? Yes, we can. Good line around there. Really fast, trying to run away from Remy Gardner, and Sam Lowe already in a 4th and 5th position. If they finish in their current position, they will, well, we still take a little bit a point, but not too much because they are finishing just behind us. Look at who is behind us. Remy Gardner. Remy Gardner. Oh, he's really close to us. He's getting past. Yeah, he's overtaking us. But can we take it back? That is the question. Can we take it back? Can we overtake back the other Red Bull KTM bike? Oh, a little bit mistake, a little bit wide. Trying to catch a little bit of slipstream if we go in a backstride, so we catch a little bit, cut the gap back again, so we can fight till the end. Into the last right corner. Well, other than our bike is still underdeveloped, and also our lack of adaptation with the new bike, also with the Moto2 bike we have a lot of tire consumption. Like In the first race, I use soft medium tire combination and it doesn't work at all. After the third lap, like my front tire is already gone, and that's why we cannot compete until the last very the last lap. So I use medium instead of softer medium. Hopefully we can last longer than last race, but at that time it still worked really well. Sam Lois and Remy Gardner already trying to fight each other. That's good. If they fight each other a little bit more, we can get a little bit room to get away from these people. And we got a gecko running in my room. Into the last corner of no, not last corner, last lap of MotoGP 2021 Moto 2 for the second round of Lusail, Qatar. And here we are into the last corner. Beno is still in the third position. Will he get the first podium in this season? And I think he could. No one can get into his slipstream, and he take it. He take the third place, the first podium of the season.
While the riders complete their lap of honour, let's take a look at the final classification.
And this is the
of
result
Moto2
of the race. Rolf Fernandez take first position, Boben Schneider in the second place, and also with 1.3 second gap. And also again we got 3.8 second gap from Raul Fernandez. Did I get a deja vu? Did I get a deja vu from the last race? I think I am. But that's good. First podium. We get a bit point push to take a chance to get a championship, but currently we're not go anywhere in terms of position. We get 9 points behind Sam Loss, and in second place Raul Fernandez, just 3 points behind Sam, and Remy Gardner in third place, 8 points behind Sam. Boben Schneider, another story, he got second place, so he got a really big boost of point. He up 4 points. Yeah, that's great for the team. And let's see who our teammate Thomas Luthi. He's in 20. He didn't get a single point yet, so yeah. We up 1 point, overtaking Mark VDS Racing Team. 9 points behind Red Bull KTM Major. Not bad. And yeah, that's the result of our first episode in MotoGP Moto2 class. Already we make like 11 episodes. Well, other than the last episode is just bonus to make our helmet, but that's count as an episode, right? And we are in the Parc de Ferme for our first podium in the season, and I think that's it. That's it. That's for this episode, and see you next time.